Visual field testing is a critical part of modern optometry and ophthalmology care, and it is an assessment of a person's peripheral vision. Now, with today's technology, most visual field testing involves large, bulky machines in clinic, and these have some limitations. They're not portable, and often patients don't enjoy performing visual field testing on these machines. They might find it uncomfortable to put their head in, it might be sore on their neck or their back. Sometimes they find it anxiety provoking and stressful. How much longer is this going for? Did I see that spot? Did I not? What does that mean? And we at Eyeonic firmly believe that this all could be done in a better way, in a more user-friendly, enjoyable way. And we firmly believe that visual field testing can be performed as a software that will work on any larger device, such as any computer or any tablet. And we have developed that accordingly, the Eyeonic online visual field test, which has exactly the same function as these large machines, except being software that'll work on any device has improved accessibility, portability, significant cost saving for patients and clinicians, and also a much better use experience for patients. They really do enjoy the online Eyeonic visual field test more than the conventional machines. AI is a critical part of the Eyeonic online visual field test. We don't have an uncomfortable chin brace or a head brace that a lot of the common machines use. Instead, we just have a person in front of a computer. What AI does is it engages the user's webcam and measures where their face is. It doesn't recognize the face, so there's no facial recognition, but there is facial detection. And when the camera can see where the face is, it makes sure it doesn't move. So the AI is continually monitoring the person's face, and if the person moves left, right, forward, back, the AI will notice and the test will pause and ask the person to reposition until the AI is happy. One of the common causes of anxiety among patients doing conventional visual field testing is they just don't know how much longer it's going to go for. Their head's in the thing, they're stressed, how much longer? And so the way we've addressed that problem, it's quite simple. We just have a progress bar. So right underneath the point where the fixation target that they're looking at, we have a little bar, and it looks just like when you download something. This is how much I've done, and this is how much to go. And that significantly reduces the anxiety. While our research began here in my clinic in Melbourne, it quickly has expanded globally, and we have hundreds of cases now, hundreds of patients who have done the test in Vietnam and similar number in Uganda. And what we've learned is, just like with other diagnostic tests, the normative range, what's considered normal, will vary from population to population around the world. And so now we know what's normal in Southeast Asia, we know what's normal in Uganda, in East Africa, and we can build that into the app. We have built that into the app, making sure it's ready for good diagnostic accuracy for the global rollout.